How to change workspace name in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to change your workspace name in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your browser. Now, once you're on notion.com, sign in to your account. So you can sign in with your credentials that you've registered with, or you can also use the social media application connected to Notion. Now, after that, head over into that workspace which you want to rename, and then go ahead and rename it directly. So, as you can see, you can rename it directly, and the changes will be saved as well real time on the left side of your screen. You can also change the emoji of the specific workspace page. So you can select from the available emojis that you find on Notion. You can also select from the icons available on Notion, and you can also upload the icon that you want to use for this page. Now, changing your workspace name in Notion is a quick and customizable process perfect for aligning your setup with your brand, theme, or personal style. And that is how you can basically change workspace name in Notion. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and walkthroughs.